Hello everyone and welcome to this new video of the channel. Okay, so I'm Shali and let's start with this topic. And let me say something that many women with the PCOS feel but rarely express openly. PCOS does not just affect your body. I know it affects your confidence as well. When your weight changes suddenly, when your acne appears out of nowhere, when the facial hair starts growing, when your periods become unpredictable, it's not just the physical symptoms, okay? It slowly start affecting how you see yourself. Many women tell me something like this: I don't feel like myself anymore. And that sentence is very powerful. Okay, because PCOS can quietly makes women feel like they have lost control of their own body. You may try diets, you may try workouts, you may try so many supplements, but when the symptoms keep coming back, it can start affecting your confidence, your mood, okay, and even your social life. And even some women stop taking the photos, stop taking the selfies with their friend. Some avoid the social gathering. Some constantly compare themselves to others. Look how she's beautiful, how her face is so glowed up, and how my face is full of acne. Okay, but here's something important I want every woman with PCOS to understand. PCOS is not a reflection of your discipline or your worth. It is a hormonal and a metabolic conditions. And when the body is dealing with the hormonal imbalance, symptoms shows up. Okay. And that does not mean your body is broken. It means your body needs the right support. When I work with clients who have PCOS, the first thing we focus not on just weight loss, we focus on understanding their body, because many women spend years blaming themselves instead of understanding their hormones. Okay, we look at things like how their blood sugar is behaving, how the stress is affecting their cortisol levels, how their sleep patterns are influencing the hormonal balance, and how their nutrition is either stabilizing or disrupting their metabolism. When these things start improving, something interesting happens. Symptoms starts becoming manageable, energy improves, cycles become regular, and you know what, confidence is also starts to return, because confidence does not come from forcing your body, it comes from working with your body, and that shift is powerful. Many women with PCOS believe they need the extreme diets or pushing workouts, okay, but what they actually need is a strategy that supports their hormonal balance, balanced nutrition, stress regulation, sleep quality, and having the consistency. Okay, so when the body starts receiving the right signal, it gradually moves towards the stability. And when the woman starts seeing their bodies responding again, something changes inside them. They start feeling powerless, they start feeling capable again. So, if you are dealing with PCOS and feel like it has taken away your confidence, remember this: your story is not finished. Your body is not your enemy. Okay, it is simply asking for the right environment to function properly. Okay, and once you understand that how your hormones work, you stop fighting your body. Okay, and trust also rebuild, and that's where the real transformations begin. So with the PCOS, it's not just about the body, it's all about you. Okay, it's all about here what you are putting in your mind as well. If you are having taking the proper diet, following everything, but if you are not feeling good inside, if you are not having the, you know, you are not feeling full up by everything. Now I'm doing this, everything will be okay. I will do consistently. That's it. You have to do this by anyhow. It doesn't matter. You have to work on it. If you're dealing with PCOS, or any woman who are watching this video, if you're dealing with any disease, it's not about the disease. It's all about you, how you are reacting to it. Okay. That's, as women, we know that our mind got messed up with so many things, but you need to focus on yourself as well. Give yourself some time, okay? Some time you need to give yourself little time, few times, okay? So this is all for today. And if you have any doubts, if you have any regrets, okay, of your health, of your life, just share me in the comment, okay? And I will reply to you. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more, okay? So this is for all today. Thank you.